force them to work and work and work and work and work. I know it's hard when they're little and they're not flat. Now feed him one. Not that one.
Oh, I get that's what they're doing, so you have that food. There's one in there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now put one on the other foot.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's just watching. Oh. Take your hand away.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, good boy, Chester. You should be.
Or what? So he stole that one.
He stole that one.
Yes. So that's the next stage, sticking it on their paws. Yes. Well, this is good. He's taking goodies for the first time, and he's drinking water for the first time here.
Good, good.
Yeah, he wouldn't drink water.
Yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah, and he wouldn't take any, like I said, he wouldn't take any goodies until when I got in the car. I still had them in my hand, and then I gave them to him. Then he ate them.
Oh, look, there's a man walking down the street. Storm!
Good girl!
Come on, pup. Yeah, it's my girlie.
She's on it.
That's my girlie.
Come on. Back up.
Yep, you dropped them all.
Sorry.
That was really good. That. Oh, yep. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to keep them in my hand.
I'll send that to you later. That's cute.
Okay, so he did that right there.
You're having a good time, aren't you?
Make sure you tell him yes, but he knows that that's what you want from him.
Don't forget to feed her every once in a while.
Yes.
I like this training session. We should all have margaritas or a glass of wine. Yes.
Yes. Now he's just looking, so he's
Storm,
good then,
leave it.
right?
He learned that he can't run quick.
Yeah, he found something he liked, because he was just, now he's like, okay.
Well, not only is Tempe leaving it alone, but so is Storm.
Yes.
Good. He's Wizard do. Oh, he's doing touch yourself.
Yeah, he was doing the other one.
He was good. All right, grab her leash and see if you can walk her right over the top of it with a loose leash.
Come on, Tippy. Come on. Tippy. Come on. Break.
Oh,
What?
Yes.
almost.
Yeah.
Okay, give her a break again.
Tippy, break.
Yes.
Yes.
There we go. Storm.
Storm. You're cheating. Tippy. Get in the hay, Storm.
Yeah, don't tell them no,
Yeah, I know.
because they've got to make the choice. Yeah. Open. Close. Don't move your hand. Remember, just close. I know it's hard. It even took me a while to learn this game. Open.
Yes.
Open. Open. Yes. Now feed him.
Yeah. Tippy, break. Yes, good girl.
That's what we want. Yeah.
Break me.
It's okay if she goes around it.
Break.
Good
Yes,
girl.
Good girl. Yeah.
Stormy.
Break.
Sit.
Yes. Break. Yes, good girl. You're doing so awesome, little dippers. Break. Yes. Yes, good girl. That's a good girl.
Storm.
Tippy. Break. Get it, Mark.
Sit.
Get it.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Over here now. Now that he's starting
Big jackpot.
Over here, now that he's starting
You can
to.
have more of these too. That's something worth working for.
Yeah.
He likes it. Kind of like these, yeah.
Wizard.
Good girl. Tiger.
Oh, open. See what he does.
Oh, now.
Yeah. If he's just sniffing, yeah, open. Yes.
Boy,
Good
yeah.
boy. That was good.
Yes.
Yeah, lower it a little bit. Close. Good. Keep it lowered. Yep. Now let him chew. Yeah. Open.
Don't look away.
Debbie's enjoying her jackpot.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good. So basically, what they're figuring out is how do I get that treat? Okay. So licking doesn't work. If I back off, the hand opens. That's good.
One step.
One step at a time.
Good.
Yeah, that was good. That was good. He did what?
He started.
Sit.
Yeah.
Pig in a poke. Down. Down. No, sit. Down. Come on, down. Just go ahead and feed him. Even though he's not totally paying attention right now? Yeah. Actually, you could probably put it on the ground and then just cup your hand over it like this.
You know what? I could put him up there.
Yeah, go ahead and put him up there. Yeah. Sit. Down. Down. No. Storm. Oh. Stormy. Down. Down. Lay down. You can do it. Down. No. No. Yeah, now he's, yeah.
Breaking it up a little bit, changing it up.
Come on. Sit. Sit. Good girl. There you go. Teasing her face?
Yeah.
Storm. Up. Sit. Come on. Get on there.
Walk a little bit?
Sit. Come on, sit.
Oh,
Sit.